it.
What? What does it say on the candle?
8.
Who's 8? Who's going to be
Who's
8?
gonna be 8?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
No.
Happy birthday, dear Sochi. Happy birthday to you. Blow it, blow it. Make a wish.
Happy birthday.
You belong in the zoo. You already there.
We just came from there.
We adopted it.
Do you want a cupcake or do you want to eat all the little cake in the middle?
Did you know it was for you,
Did
Sochi?
you know it was for you?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, baby.
Were you
Say thank you
surprised?
to the other.
Was it a surprise? How old are you?
8.
Wow, awesome.
Wow. Go
Let's
get
get
the
the
other
boys.
one.